Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss fill in the blanks of class 6 civics. So let's start. First question is Ladakh is a dash in the mountains in the eastern part of Jammu and Kashmir. Answer is desert. Next question is Pashmina shawls are chiefly woven in dash. Answer is Kashmir. Next question is dash reached Tibet via Ladakh. Answer is Buddhism. Next question is Ladakh is also called. Answer is Little Tibet. Next question is spices made dash an attractive place for traders. Answer is Kerala. Next question is India's dash has always been recognized as its strength. Answer is diversity. Next question is dash coined the phrase unity in diversity. Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Chapter 2 Diversity and Discrimination. So let's start. First question is there are dash major religions in the world and every single one of them is practiced in India. Answer is 8. There are 8 major religions in the world. Next question is we have more than dash languages that are pupils' mother tongues. Answer is 1600. More than 1600 languages. Next question is there are more than a dash dance forms. Answer is 100. More than 100 dance forms are there. Next question is we feel secure with people who look, talk, dress and think dash us. Answer is like. Who like us. Next question is dash means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. Answer is prejudice. Prejudice means to judge other people negatively. Next question is when we fix people into one image, we create a. Answer is stereotypes. Clear? Next question is dash happens when people act on their prejudices or stereotypes. Answer is discrimination. Clear? Chapter 3 What is government? So let's start. First question is every country needs a government to make dash and get things done. Answer is decisions. Next question is the government makes dash and every citizen of the country has to follow it. Answer is laws. Government makes laws. Next question is India is a dash country. Answer is democratic. India is a democratic country. Next question is the main feature of a democracy is that the dash have power to elect their leaders. Answer is people. People have power. Next question is universal adult franchise means that all adults in country are allowed to. Answer is vote. Chapter 4 Key elements of a democratic government. So let's start. First question is dash means separation on the basis of race. Answer is apartheid. Next question is dash fought against apartheid system for several years. Answer is Nelson Mandela. Next question is all government are elected for dash period. Answer is fixed period. Next question is one of the key ideas of a dash government is its commitment to equality and justice. Answer is democratic. Next question is conflicts and differences have to be resolved according to the dash written in the constitution. Answer is laws. Clear? Chapter 5 Panchayati Raj. First question is dash is also called Sarpanch. Answer is Panchayat President. Next question is members of Panchayat are called dash. Answer is Panch. Next question is ward punches and sarpanch form the dash. Answer is Gram Panchayat. Next question is Panchayati Raj system at block level is called dash. Answer is Panchayat Samiti. Next question is Jila Parishad is dash the Panchayat Samiti. Answer is above. Jila Parishad is above Panchayat Samiti. That is chapter 6 Rural Administration. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying our daily quizzes published in community tab. If not, please subscribe the channel and become the member of our family. Let's start. First question is measuring land and keeping land records is the main work of dash. Whose main work is this? Answer is Patwari. Patwari does all this work. Next question is a daughter wants a place of dash on. Answer is her own place. Next question is every police station has an dash that comes under its control. Answer is area. Every police station has an area. Next question is Patwari is also responsible for organizing the collection of land dash from the farmers. Answer is revenue. Patwaris collect revenue from farmers. Next question is dash supervise the work of patwaris? Answer is tehsildar. Tehsildar supervises work of patwaris. That is all 6 urban administration. First question is dash is responsible for ensuring that diseases do not break out in the city. Answer is municipal corporation. Next question is the city is divided into several. Answer is wards. Next question is in a municipal corporation, the elected members are called dash. Answer is councillors. Next question is while the councillors make decisions, the administrative staff led by the commissioner dash these. Answer is implement. Clear? Next question is as dash people pay to the government for the services that the government provides. Answer is taxes. People pay taxes for the services that government rural livelihood. First question is nearly 2/5 of all dash families are agricultural laboral in India. Answer is rural. Rural families are agricultural laborer in India. Next question is people from villages dash to towns and cities in search of work. Answer is migrate. People migrate. Next question is along with farming activities, people do some dash activities to earn their livelihood. Answer is non-farming activities. People do non-farming activities also. Next question is rural people in different regions of the country grow dash crops. Answer is different. Different people grows different crops. Next question is mostly rural people do not find enough work to keep them dash throughout the year. Answer is employed. They are not employed throughout the year. Chapter urban livelihood. Viewers, I hope you are enjoying our daily quizzes published in community tab. If not, subscribe the channel and become the member of family and enjoy daily quizzes. And do tell me whether these quizzes are helpful to you or not. Comment me in the comment box. Let's start. First question is the job of casual workers is dash. Answer is temporary. Job of casual workers is temporary. Next question is street hawkers can be asked to dash their shops at any time of the police by the police. Answer is dismantle. Next question is permanent workers get dash salary every month. Answer is regular. Permanent workers get regular salary. Next question is permanent shops need to get a dash to do business by municipal corporation. Answer is license. Permanent shops need a license. Next question is urban areas are very dash. Answer is crowded. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, press the like button and share the video with your friends. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for getting instant indications for the videos. Bye bye for now. We will get back to you in another video. Bye bye.